Hi guys, this is Ashok Singh. Today we are back with the part 2 of the top 24 amazing places in Simla. In the first part, we talked about the 12 amazing places in Simla, and today in part 2 we will conclude with rest of the 12 amazing places. So let's begin. Number 13 is Kalka Simla Railway. This railroad is famous for its breathtaking scenery and its dramatical views. Stretching between Kalka and Simla, the toy-like narrow gauge train dates back to the 1890s and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 14 is Getty Heritage Cultural Complex. Located near the ridge, this cultural complex is one of only a few Getty theatres outside the UK. Built in the 1880s, it has a variety of shows playing throughout the year, along with cultural events and exhibitions. It is also home to the Amateur Dramatic Club. Number 15 is Himalayan Bird Park. This attraction in Simla is extremely popular with tourists. The nature, park and aviary are home to a wide variety of exotic and native birds, as well as numerous rare species. Make sure to keep an eye out for the state birds of Himachal Pradesh, the monal pheasant. Number 16 is Kalibari Temple. Built in 1845, the Kalibari Temple near Mall Road is dedicated to the goddess Kali. It is known for its picturesque mountain views and can be accessed via a series of steep stairs. Number 17 is Goton Castle. Originally built in the 19th century, this neo-Gothic castle was designed by Sir Swinston Jacob and includes many elements of traditional Indian designs. Located near the mall, it is now used as the office of the Accountant General of Himachal Pradesh. Number 18 is Chadwick Falls. The beautiful Chadwick Falls are located just outside Simla in the Glen Forest. Falling from a height of 100 meters, they may not be very tall, but are nevertheless quite charming and the perfect destination for a picnic. Number 19th is Annadale. This serene area of Simla is home to a number of wonderful attractions, including a golf course, a cactus museum, and the Indian Army Museum, which displays on army history as well as a historical weapon and uniforms. Number 20th is Kufri. Located just 20 kilometers away from Simla at an elevation of 2630 meters, Kufri is known for its gentle slope covered in powdery snow, which are perfect for amateur skiers. There are also wonderful views of the snow-capped mountains of the Himalayas. Number 21 is Chail. The palace at Chail near Simla. Also near Simla, 44 kilometers away, is the charming village of Chail, which is known for its wonderful scenery. It was once the summer retreat of the Maharaja of Patiala. Today, you can still visit the 19th century Chail Palace, which is now a hotel. Number 22 is Masobra. Masobra, a town in Simla district. Another small town to visit near Simla is Masobra, which is connected to the capital via the historic Hindustan Tibet Road that dates back to 1850. It is home to one of the century's two presidential retreats and also the famous Wildflower Hall Hotel, once the residence of Lord Kitchener. Masobra also hosts the annual Sippy Fair. Number 23rd is highest cricket ground in the world. Chel Cricket Ground, situated in the Chel region of Himachal Pradesh, is the highest cricket ground in the world, located 8,018 feet above sea level. Built in 1983, the ground is surrounded by thick forest of deodar. Number 24th is airports in Himachal. Himachal Pradesh has 3 domestic airports: Bhutar Airports in Kullu district, Gaggal Airport in Kangra district, and Simla Airport. Thank you guys for watching both the parts of the top 12 amazing places in Simla. Hope this will help you when you will visit Simla. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button